Hello, Panthers. This is Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher, and welcome to our Q4 Week 7 coding assignment. This is for all grade levels. We're going back to code.org. Let's go to my website to get started. All right, Panthers, we're all here on code.org. Let me just say that what we're about to do is going to be a little bit different from the lessons for my younger grades, kinder, first grade, second grade. If this is too hard for you today, just go back to your regular assignments, okay? Ask for help if you need it. But otherwise, I think most of us will be able to handle this week. We're going to go to code, click on your code button on my website. You want to sign in. I was already signed in, but let me sign out just to show you again. We want to click on the sign in on the top right hand corner. Click on Microsoft. Follow those buttons in case it asks you for your username and password. And we're in, all right? Now, today we're going to go up to projects up here on the very, very top. If you don't want to do projects and you want to continue with the lessons, then go for it. My teacher page looks a little different, but you'll look for your lesson and press continue, all right? But otherwise, we're all going to projects. We're going to click here. It says view full list. When you click view full list, you get an assortment, a nice variety of different projects from very easy to medium to hard or very, very hard. Some of these you'll never ever do, and some of these you'll have fun exploring on your own. Today we're going to focus on Flappy. For some of you, you've done Flappy in the past. This will be a nice little review. I challenge you to make your Flappy games even more challenging and fun and creative. Some of you also have your projects way down here at the bottom, like me. Got a lot of different projects. You can just click on them and continue if you want. But anyway, I'm going to do Flappy. I'm going to click right here, get started with a new one. Now I want to show you the very basic way to start Flappy. Very, very basic, okay? Now, for those who don't know about Flappy or haven't played it, I think it's in Cool Math Games, by the way. You get this little bird, you got to click on the screen, and you move it up and down, and you have to pass it through some pipes. When you pass the pipes, you score some points. You hit the pipe, you hit the ground, you lose, game over, and you start again. So anyway, when we play this game, we want to click and drag the codes, just like some of the other lessons, but I'm going to set speed. This one, purple block, and I want to let you know all these purple blocks, if you end up putting them, you don't have to put them, but they all go under when run, okay? I'm going to start off very basic. When run, set speed to normal, okay? When click, this is where our bird starts to flap. We want to flap a normal amount. Now here's the thing. I'm actually going to change this right away, and you can start customizing as much as you want. I'm going to click on normal. I really enjoy very small. Very small amounts happens to be a lot more precise and easier to pass the obstacles. So I'm going to play, no, I'm not going to do the sounds just yet. I want to score a point every time I pass an obstacle. It says when pass an obstacle, score a point. That goes there. Now the end game block here, when hit the ground, goes right there. And another end game block goes when you hit an obstacle. Okay? Very basic. Set speed to normal, flap a very small amount, end game, score a point. Let's check it out. Press run, start clicking. You gotta keep clicking, otherwise your birdie falls. And sometimes you gotta let it fall to go through the obstacles. And look, I'm scoring points every time I go through, okay? I'm gonna let myself crash. Boom! Okay, let's jazz it up. Let's make it more interesting and fun, all right? So, I'm going to choose to city, set scene, city, day, but I'm going to change it to sci-fi, okay? And I'm going to click set player. I'm going to change our little yellow bird to a shark. And now I'm going to add some sound effects. Play a wing sound. Nope, no more wing sound. He's going to play a splash sound. Sure, why not? Okay. And when he hits the ground, he's going to play a crunch sound. When you hit an obstacle, we're going to play a smash. Sure, why not? And when you pass an obstacle for scoring a point, we're going to play another sound. And we're going to make it a point. Let's make it basic. Let's make it a point. You can add a bunch of these other purple code blocks to the when run, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to let you guys explore and see what you can do. You could also set, for those who want to, trick the system. I don't want to necessarily say cheat because you're making this for yourself, but you could actually not end the game when you hit obstacles. Get rid of the end game, and you could just keep going forever. You could also add a bunch of more points. And for this example, I'll just put these points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to score 5 points. Score 5 points every time I pass an obstacle. Let's try it out. My shark sci-fi. It's like he's swimming through the through the air there. You could also change the obstacles with the set obstacle. Change the pipes. You could also change the ground, I think. I didn't change the ground at all. I'm scoring 5 points every time I pass. And I purposely hit that pipe there. Okay? So, lots of different ways you can customize this and make it your own. If you go back to the page here, homepage, go back to projects, you're going to see your creations down here in your projects list. All right, Panthers? Panthers, this is coding Q4 week 7. Can't wait to see you in class. Bye for now.